Gone are the days where investing was only about making money. Now it extends much beyond that. As an individual grows, so do his responsibilities. Similarly, as a company grows, people start expecting more and more out of it. As the world progresses, so do people's ideologies and consciousness. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about ESG investing, which stands for Environmental, Social and Governance Investing. And this concept has gained prominence in recent times. Let us study each of the three aspects. What is environmental investing? Let's take the example of a steel making factory. To manufacture steel, you need to burn iron ore at high temperatures as high as 1000 degrees Celsius. To aid the burning process, you put coal into it. Fossil fuels such as iron ore, coal, when burnt at such high temperatures, have adverse effects on the environment, as carbon dioxide is released into the environment by their burning, which depletes the ozone layer that protects us from the harmful rays of sun. Now, being an investor, I can make a quick buck if the company is good. But what about the climate? Ultimately, I have to live in this climate only, so I have to protect the climate. It's a collective responsibility of all the investors and individuals. So, investors have started growing more and more aware about all such consequences. Let me give you a classic corporate example. Just a few months back, Amundi, a French asset manager, learned about SBI's involvement in the Adani coal project of Australia. Amundi learned that SBI is financing the coal project of Adani in Australia. SBI had raised funds from Amundi to invest in certain projects. Now Amundi was not aware that it was going to invest in this coal project. Now, as I said, coal, being a fossil fuel, inflicts great damage to the environment. Now, Amundi did not want to be associated with such a project, wherein it would have adverse impact on its reputation. So it threatened SBI that if you do not withdraw from this project, I will sell these bonds elsewhere. What is social investing? Social investing, in simple words, is not investing in any company which goes against your conscience. Let me give you my example here. I do not invest in companies that are in the business of manufacturing arms and ammunition. Why? Because I as an investor would want the profits of any company I invest in to grow. Now, being an investor in a company which manufactures arms and ammunition, should I be praying that there should be more wars around the world so that the company supplies arms and ammunition globally? Would it appeal to my conscience? Certainly not. Similarly, I do not invest in companies that are in the business of running hospitals, because for their profits to increase, there have to be more patients. Should I wish that there should be more patients around the world, that each and every person should be inflicted with some injury or some harm? No, I certainly do not want that to happen. So the best solution is to stay away from investing in such companies. This is nothing but social investing. What is governance investing? Good governance is acting in the best interest of your shareholders. If you happen to do otherwise, your company does not have good governance. I hope you learned something new out of this video today, and if you wish someone else needs to know this, please share this video with them, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you would be the first one to know. If you have ever come across any of the cases of ESG investing, do let me know in the comments box, and also tell me whether you support this idea.